And you take someone from what?
From like a total of oxy 40 milligram per day
Okay.
to 10 milligram per day in 10 days. And no side effects, no nausea, no diarrhea, no withdrawal symptoms. Simply
Because
she was like,
they're using CBD?
yeah.
Wow.
She was using the CBD. She started out with twice a day. Once she got down to like 20, she called me and she's like, I'm getting a little bit, wanting it a little bit more. So I'm like, just do the midday dose. It'll be good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Nice.
And she did. She called me a few days later, down to 10. She got down to 10, and then I said, okay, go to 5. She went to 5, and that's where she was. I think it was more like, I'm afraid I'm not going to have anything more psychological. But she was fine. She's like, I cannot believe I didn't have any issues. I've tried this on my own. I've tried other things, tried to do different kinds of opioids, kind of mix and match.
And what CBD did you have her taking?
Full spectrum.
Uh-huh.
Yep, full spectrum.
This one right here?
This one right here.
So she's taking that.
Yep.
Titrating off her opiates.
Yep.
And it's reducing her withdrawal symptoms,
Yep.
making titration easier.
Titration. I told her.
We need to tell the doctors here at Tanner about that.
After using this, I told her to use this for 1 day while you're using your 40, and then go to 30, and then keep using it every 3 days, and then go to 20, and then go to 10, and then we talked at the 5 milligram dose. When she got to 5, she got nervous, and I said, I know it's going to be totally psychological here. Don't worry about it. You're done great. You went from 40 to 5, 10. Is that okay? That's totally fine.
Right.
In 10 days, that's amazing.
That is amazing.
It really is.
Fantastic.
I mean,
This is our top producing pharmacy in all of northern Utah,
Never
north of Salt Lake. These guys sell more CBD than anybody. And they brought me in here today. We're going to talk to Tanner Clinic and educate some of their providers on CBD.